Hello everyone, this is Brandy Williams with an educational accounting and tax video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You may also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at WilliamsAccTax. On LinkedIn, connect with me by searching Brandy C. Williams Mac. Lastly, visit my website, WilliamsAccTax.com to review my bio, read my blog, enroll in tax school, contact me, and schedule a free consultation. I look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy the video.
Common tax-deductible business expenses. Tax-deductible business expenses are primarily regulated by the Internal Revenue Code 1986. As the past few years have seen unprecedented economic, social, and cultural changes, this code was partially amended to conform to changing needs. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act was enacted in 2018, which modified the ways in which depreciation, tax credits, and other expenses are treated for tax purposes. Similarly, the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, known as the CARES Act, enacted in March 2020, provided certain tax benefits, such as providing refundable tax credit equal to 50% of eligible qualified wages. However, as of 2023, small businesses need to focus on understanding basic deductions allowed for tax purposes. Let's have a look at common business deductions that your business may be eligible. 1. Marketing and advertising. 2. Meals and entertainment. 3. Training and education. 4. Gifts. 5. Transportation. Marketing and advertising. Marketing and advertising expenses are generally deductible as long as these expenses are ordinary and necessary to help the business or trade and are in line with industry standards. There is no maximum threshold for deductible marketing expenses, but these should be appropriately in line with overall business expenditure. Generally, any marketing costs directly attributable to business activities or expenses to generate goodwill for the business are allowed by the IRS. However, any expense to influence legislation or donations to a political party cannot be deducted as an allowed expense for tax purposes. Common marketing and advertising expenses include social media paid ads, special promotions, printed advertising, marketing agency fees, and website expenses. Meals and entertainment. Any expense related to meals and entertainment should be carefully monitored when calculating tax. This is because some expenses are 100% deductible, while others are 50%. Similarly, some meals and entertainment expenses are not deductible at all. Let's look at 100% tax-deductible meals and entertainment expenses. 1. Any expense related to a company-wide party or team-building event. 2. Meals given to employees for the convenience of the employer, for example, employees who work late. 3. Foods or drinks given to the public free of charge are fully deductible. 4. Food for events in support of charitable causes. Similarly, the following expenses are 50% deductible. 1. Treating only a few employees to a meal. 2. Office meals and snacks which are not part of the compensation package and bought from a superstore or a grocery shop. 3. Meals with clients to discuss business. 4. Meals during a board meeting. 5. Meals given to employees when they are traveling for business-related activities or during late sittings. Similarly, entertainment provided to clients, such as concert tickets, golf course passes, or games, are usually not tax-deductible. Training education. Generally, employer-sponsored training and education costs are deductible, if and only if these courses, workshops, or seminars allow the trainees to develop or improve essential job-related skills. Apart from tuition, fees, costs related to books, photocopies, and laboratory fees are also allowed. Traveling and meal costs is also deductible if it is temporarily less than a year. However, remember that any such training should primarily pertain to the current job role. This means that any training related to transitioning to a new job role may not be allowed by the IRS. If the cost is partially borne by the employee, the employer can only claim its portion of the cost. Gifts. Cost associated with giving gifts to clients is deductible as long as it adheres to following rules. gifts, given directly or indirectly, worth $25 or less may be allowed to a single person for a whole year. Incidental costs, such as shipping or packaging, are not included in the above $25 limit, as long as it does not add substantial value to the gift. Gifts costing $4 or less, having permanently engraved business names, are not included in the above per person limit of $25. Transportation. As a rule of thumb, transportation between home and one's normal place of work cannot be claimed. Any travel made specifically for business purposes, such as meeting prospective clients, is deductible. During a business trip, 100% expense is deductible, regardless of the mode of travel, such as airplane, train, or a car. The cost of a rented car is also deductible during a business trip. There are two methods a business can use to expense vehicle cost: standard mileage deduction and actual cost. 1. Standard mileage for 2023 is 65.5 cents per mile. 2. Actual expense method allows vehicle-related costs such as new tires, repairs, maintenance, gas, oil changes, insurance, registration, and lease payments. Tolls and parking fees are allowed regardless of the method used. Business owners are required to keep adequate records for business-related travel. Most business owners are too busy with setting up the business and running its day-to-day operations to research tax updates. Hiring a professional tax consultant to help you through all stages of filing and paying taxes is a reasonable alternative. A tax professional may also help you in minimizing your tax liability by using his or her experience and knowledge of various options available in the tax code.
This is Brandy Williams. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and follow us on all social media platforms.